Okay, so we're going to see the answer for my text 6.1D. Okay, my text 6.1D. So in this exercise is talking about it's related with two concepts. These two concepts is all about the angle on center. So if the angle M and N means the angle on center is the same. If the angle on center is the same, then the length of arc will be the same. Okay, and also if we saying backward, if the length of arc is the same, then the angle on center is the same. Then another one is the size of the angle is proportional to the length of the arc. So we're going to see the questions number 1. This is a question number 1. Number 1, A, B, C, D got 4 questions. So we're going to see the answer. So the first one, because the length of arc subtended by the subtended is the same length, label already. So the angle on center will be the same. So y equal to 45. B is apply the same concept, but now it's giving you the angle is the same, 65 degree. So the length of arc will be the same. So y equal to 5 centimeters. So C also same, because the angle is the same. So y will equal to 10 centimeters. D, okay, D is the proportional concept. So because 10 divided 2 get 5, so that means the angle will apply the same division. So y will equal to 110 divided by 2 equal to 55. I repeat again, because 10 divide 2 get 5, so means the same division will apply on the angle on center. So that's why I say 110 divided by 2, I get 55 degree, the answer for Y. So this is the answer for question number 1. Now we're going to see the question number 2. So this is a question number 2. So for question number 2, it's giving you the information saying the arc AB is same length with the arc PQ. Okay, you need to identify the values of x and also identify which angle in the diagram is same values as the angle of x. Okay, so we're going to see. So by the information given, I'm drawing the green line on your diagram. So because the arc is the same, so the angle on circumference will also be the same. Okay, so these two angles on circumference are subtended by the same length arc. So these two angles will be the same. So this angle, I can say this is a angle x. So actually indirectly I already answered the question for second part. Okay, but I'm going to continue in the first part, the values of x first. So you see the values of x actually are able to find by using the angle on center. We have the concept say the angle on circumference is half of the angle on center. So that means x will equal to 80 divided by 2 equal to 40 degree. So this is x 40 degree. So means I will have the values of x already, that is 40 degree. Okay, after that, just now I mentioned already the second part, which angle is the same values as the angle x. So this one I'm labeled on diagram already, this is x. So what is the name of this angle? So we can using the label on the diagram. So there is a name of angle is P, R, and Q. So that means this angle x, we can name the angle by using the label on the diagram. Okay, and the answer will be angle PRQ. We're using the label in the diagram to name the angle. So this angle will be having the same values with the angle x. So this is the answer for question number 2. So we will continue into question number 3. So this is a question for question number 3, and the question number 3 giving you a lot of information. We will going to see the information and the drawing into our diagram. So this is the first information saying the arc BCD is 2CD. So the arc BCD is 2CD. BCD is 2CD. So that's mean the whole arc will be 20 centimeter. And also the angle. So that's mean this 160 degree actually is divided equally into two parts. So one means angle on arc CD here actually is 80 degree here. Okay, so as you see, I label already 80 degree here. So then we continue with the next information we have, that is about the angle FEG. Angle FEG actually is referred to angle Y here. So the angle Y actually is 1/4 of the angle BOD. Angle BOD is referred to the angle 160 degree. Okay, so means the angle FEG will equal to 40. So by using the 1/4 multiplied with 160. Okay, 160. So that means, in another words, I already have the values of Y. Okay, the values of Y. So the values of Y will equal to 1/4 multiplied with 160, that is 40 degree, equal to the angle FEG. So this is angle of Y. Then after that, we need to identify the length of X. Okay, this one got a little bit confusing, so you must be more careful. So as you see, the angle of Y, okay, is 40 degree. And just now I mentioned already, the angle on center subtended by the arc CD is 80. So if you look at the angle carefully, you will find out the Y actually is subtended. The angle of Y actually can say is subtended by the same length arc with length CD, because this one is 40 degree. Okay, and the center is 80. We know already the angle on circumference is half of the angle on center. So the angle Y and angle 80 actually can say they are subtended by the same length arc. So directly I know the length of FG, that is the values of X, actually is 10 centimeters. Okay, this one is apply the concept that is angle on center is twice of the angle on circumference. Okay, this is a concept. Okay, so until here, finish already the exercise, my text 6.1D. I hope you understand. If you are still be confused, please inform me in our WhatsApp group, or you can leave your comment in our Google Classroom. So that's all for this exercise.